I got like 3 albums written on Record Store Day. I don't think I'm gonna be able to put any out, not recorded yet. I got my brother's band and now Dirk, and like 1 or 2 records to record. Don't even have a record player to play, yeah. On Record Store Day, Record Store Day, Record Store Day. Oh, I'm in my mind too much. I wanna bang a gong up there on Record Store Day, loosen up. Record Store Day, splitting the black circle. Record Store Day. But today, 420 weekend, Earth Day month, yeah. Record Store Day, Record Store Day, Record Store Day. Oh, I think I should go to the Sundance Saloon and see a band play. Oh my, I don't know, I like that room. Record Store Day, Record Store Day, on Record Store Day. I think there's a record store in town, or maybe not, but I don't really know it. Oh, it's not Diamond Lake, it's Wonder Lake, no, it's Diamond Lake on Record Store Day. Hey, on Record Store Day. Oh, I should pick up my guitar. Oh, and play. Maybe on Instagram, maybe on TikTok. Oh, Record Store Day. Facebook, the Edgar Kenneth on the page and Store Day. Aging but not fade away on Record Store Day. Record Store Day. Oh, maybe next year I'll have all those releases out. Maybe the music I'm doing on TikTok are fragments of the magic hour. Or maybe I'll just write a rap. Oh, a rap sheet about myself and you. Oh, it gets a little hairy, a little ugly. What to do, what to do. It's your day, this is your day. Oh, Record Store Day, oh, every day. Oh, be happy, joyous, and free. Oh, be content, humble, peaceful, feeling so groovy now. Record Store Day.